Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to share my interview experience at Byju's for the position of Business Development Associate. And you can see from this congratulations message that I was selected for this position. So let us begin with the process. So this is a 2-month training process wherein if you apply for this position at this link, I will also mention this link in the description below. You can go and apply there. You will be selected for 2-month training process under the tag of Business Development Trainee. And you will be having a monthly stipend of 25,000 rupees. Upon successfully completion of this training period, the person will be promoted to the role of Business Development Associate for direct sales at a package of 7 plus 3 lakhs per annum. Okay, so after you register for this on this link, you will be getting a call from the HR for a telephonic discussion or telephonic interview. It will be approximately a 5 to 6 minutes call, and they will ask you general questions to validate whether you are genuinely interested in this position or not. They will ask you to introduce yourself. They will ask questions related to your hobbies and why do you want to go for a sales job, why do you want to go for Byju's, and are you interested in this profile, this direct sales profile. Yeah, and after that you will be getting an email for interview with the HR executive, and you will have to go through that interview. That interview would be recorded, and it would be like considered for your further scrutiny and recruitment. Yeah, now let us look at the questions that were asked during the interview. So the first question was, introduce yourself. Now you can you can give your introduction. Apart from that, you can also mention your strengths and weakness. If you don't mention it, they will definitely ask your strength and weakness. They will definitely ask you your short-term ambitions and long-term ambitions, and what are your goals, what are your career objectives. And then they will ask you about your family background. They will ask you about your profile, your if your parents are into any business, what kind of business it is. If your parents work at any job, they will ask a little bit about that. Moreover, like, they will definitely ask you to tell me something about your work experience. Have you worked in any position, or have you worked during an internship? What work have you done? Apart from that, they will definitely ask you that why sales job over your own field. If you belong to an IT, or maybe you belong to an ENTC, or maybe you belong to mechanical stream. In my case, I was from mechanical stream, and they asked me, why do you want to go for a sales job and not for mechanical core jobs? So I told them that during my bachelor's in mechanical engineering for 4 years, and a couple of internships integrated with that, I learned that it is really hard for businesses to sell their products. You can bring in latest technologies, cutting edge technologies, manufacturing technologies, or maybe softwares, applications, but it is really hard to sell that product that your company manufacture or produce. So I feel that this is the reason why sales plays a vital role in any company's success, and that is why I want to start my career with sales. So you can mention this, and after this, you will, like, they can ask you questions like, are you okay with jobs that require a lot of travel? Because in this case, you will have in this job profile, you will have to travel a lot and visit customers on daily basis, and you will have to propose the Byju's product to them. So you will have to explain them that yes, I'm comfortable with traveling. I like traveling, and that is my passion also. So in other ways, in other way, it is a win-win situation for me. They will ask you whether what is your preferred location. So you will definitely tell your hometown or maybe the state that you are living in. But they will ask you a trick question that what if we gave you a location somewhere in Meghalaya, or maybe in somewhere in Uttarakhand, or maybe in South India. So you'll have to be genuine, and you will have to tell them that yes, that would be fine, that would be a learning opportunity for me, but I would still prefer a working location in my state, or in my district, or in my city. And then they will ask you, can you work for 14 to 15 hours a day? Then you will don't be like a cliche. You can tell them that yes, 8 hours work, 9 hours work is sufficient for me, but I will, if I have dedicated deadlines that I need to finish within the week or within a day, I can work for 14 to 15 hours. They can also ask you questions that what do you expect to earn per hour, and at Byju's what they pay you. So they will this is a kind of a tricky question as well, because if you say a little bit more, then they will say that yeah, we already are paying you so much, that you freshers don't have an experience, and still we are paying you so much. Then you can say that yes, this is an incentive based job, although I will be getting a basic per month salary, but if I like perform, my performance is good, I will definitely earn more. Okay, so now let us move towards the different types of questions, that is questions related to the company. Now, what do you know about Byju's and what are its competitors? CEO, who is the CEO? What is the annual revenue? I bet that they will definitely ask you who is the CEO and who are the founders. So this is the question. And when was the year it started? Byju started. So you just go on Google, have a research about Byju's, and then I would also recommend you to learn the dates. That Byju's was founded, the application launch date, as well as the foundation day of Byju's. Okay, then they will ask you why Byju's, and you can then tell them that Byju's is a edtech startup which is acquiring so much technology edtech companies under it. You can take White Hat Junior, you can take it has a collaboration with Akash, which is one of the best institutes for IIT, JEE, and NEET preparation in India. So this is the reason why I see a lot of growth potential in Byju's, and the way it is expanding its roots right from every part of India, and now it is expanding its roots into the world, all over the world. So this can be another reason why I want to go for Byju's. Then they will ask you, if not Byju's, then what would, like, if you don't get selected in Byju's, what would you do? So you can again say them that this is also a tricky question, because in this case, if you say that I will do something else, I will do this, I will go for another company, then they will try and they will not hire you, because you have to show interest that you only want to work at Byju's, and that's it what you want to do. So this is another question. The next question is that do you know about what we do in this kind of job, and what kind of pressure that you have, what kind of deliveries you have to deliver, what kind of clients you have to tackle, and you will have to convince them. So you can tell, everyone knows about this kind of job, so you can answer this type of questions easily. Now let us move towards the sales questions. Now I was given, first I will tell you what my experience was. So they showed me a picture which had different points of Byju's products, that you can get a tab, you can watch videos anytime, you will be getting a tab with a filter which does not cause any harm to your eyes. So that is the second part. Moreover, the final, in the final HR round, I was told that you have to read points and memorize them, and then you will have to explain the points that you recall. So this is another tricky questions. Imagine I am a parent and try to sell Byju's to me. This is a very good question. This shows how good your convincing skills are. They will tell you that suppose the person who is taking the interview is a parent, and his son or his daughter has a very good academic score, but still, how you can sell him that product, even though his son or daughter is having a very great a good academic grade, more than 90 or more than 95 plus percentage, but still, why she or he needs Byju's? So you'll have to convince them in this manner that Byju's, nowadays what happens during school, the children, there are more number of students compared to the teachers in the school. The student teacher ratio is high enough, and that is the reason why personal attention is not given by the teacher to every individual student. But at Byju's, we have this two teachers concept. We have doubt classes every day, and we teach students and they learn at their own pace. They don't have to compromise on the pace that they learn, and if they are fast enough, they can speed up the process. If they are slow a little bit, they are a little bit slow, then they can slow down the process. So this is a win-win situation for the students as well as the parents as well. Now they will try to tell you that you try and sell me a laptop. You just show me how you will sell your laptop in your local language, or maybe in your mother tongue. So you'll have to do that. And in my case, I had this charger, mobile charger at the background, like the HR interview viewer could see the charger, and he told me that, can you sell me your laptop, as well as can you sell me the charger, because since it was a used charger, how would I sell it? So it was a tricky question. I told him that this is a brand new charger. This is a brand new charger. It is refurbished. That is why it has been it is given at a low price. It is given at a flat price. So yeah, unfortunately, I was able to convince him. Then there are also some other questions that, sell me this pen. This is a very cliche question. Sell me this pen. Sell me this pencil. So these are the questions that I would suggest you should prepare for thoroughly, and I wish you all the best. Also, they will definitely ask you this question and check your confidence level, that suppose we have a 1 year or 2 year bond, what will you do? Will you still be able to join? Then in this case, that you can say that this is the last question that I was asked to me. So in this case, you can say that yes, I would definitely join, because I believe in commitment and dedication, and that is what are my driving values. So yes, I will definitely go. It is okay for me if I have a 1 year or 2 year bond. So these are the questions that were asked to me in my interview. I hope these questions and this video will be helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Thank you.